Picture this. I'm standing in my kitchen, staring down at a big bunch of fresh spinach and a bowl of juicy strawberries. Now I know what you're thinking, salad again? But hang on, there's some serious magic we can whip up here for our health. Here's the thing. Spinach is loaded with iron, but our bodies aren't always the best at soaking it up. That's where vitamin C jumps in, like spinach's superhero sidekick. If you toss in vitamin C-rich foods, think oranges, strawberries, or even a squeeze of lemon on your greens, you help your body grab way more of that iron. Let me tell you what I do. I love blending spinach with frozen strawberries and a splash of orange juice for a quick, energizing smoothie. Or, I'll throw fresh spinach into a salad, sprinkle on some sliced strawberries, and top it off with a citrusy dressing. It's sweet, tangy, and your body's going to love it. Why does this combo matter? Iron powers up your energy, keeps your brain sharp, and helps you feel strong. Vitamin C? It boosts your immune system and brightens your skin. Put them together, and you've got a powerhouse duo. So next time you're prepping a meal, remember? Spinach plus vitamin C isn't just healthy, it's a smart, tasty hack for getting the most from your food. Try it out and let me know how you feel. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.